Jigsaw Yoga Session 6, and this is my instructor, Shanaye.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our yoga session 6. We hope you enjoyed the previous one and ready for number 6. So we'll be starting with our warm-up now. We just want to stand with your feet apart. Lift your right hand above your head and reach over to the right side for the count of 8. Swapping over to the left side. For our next warm-up stretch, we're just going to be standing straight with our hands together like this. We're going to raise our hands above our heads, really reach for the sky, bringing them back down into a squatty position, and we'll do this 8 times. First yoga stretch, we're going to be doing the bicycle, which all you do is lay down on your back, raise your feet up like this, and just like you're riding the bike for the count of 10. For our next yoga stretch, we're just going to be doing a bridge with our bodies. Just want to place your feet in front of you and lay down. Hands by your side. We're going to raise upwards for the count of 8. Come down for a rest and up again. Our last yoga stretch is called a bear hug. We will lay down on our back. We'll bring our knees to our chest, and you just want to hug your knees really tight. And just hold this for a count of 10. You can even rock side to side. And whilst you're here, take this time to do a few deep breaths as well. Now for our cooldown stretches, we'll be doing a water fountain pose and a flower blossom pose. What you want to do, stand back to your partner, hands on your hips, and we really want to lean back, creating a water fountain pose, and hold this for 10. Now we'll blossom like a flower, putting our hands out to the side for the count of 8.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe in our channel, please.
Thank you so much for watching once again. We'll see you next time.